And my colleague will help me to open this box. I want to show you more details of this item. It takes a long time to finish, and finally we got this item.你的含量是好1:1吧？Thank you. See, I want to show you more details. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 9. We have a total 9 boxes inside. And each box with the PVC cover, and I want to show you. See, and可以帮我看一下这个不 I want to. The packing is 2x1, so it's 2 big boxes in 1 carton. I want to show you this one. Oh, I really love these huge guys. This 3盒应该都是一样的哈，然后帮我开一盒这种，还有一盒这种，还有一个3包的好不好？应该是有4种蛋。哦，以及这里有一个这个。是的 See, it's very stable. Okay, I want to show you. We have how to say? We have 4 different kinds. The first one is this. Single ball, and this one is also single ball, but different. Like a bottle is like a wine bottle, and this is a double brakes, and we also have the 3 brakes. And you also can see this one, this plastic with the holes on it, so they can keep them very well in this plastic. I want to show you. We have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have total 12 shells with one shooting tube, and with 6 colors. See, I want to show you. It's every box with 12 shells, and also with 1 tube. You see, this is the paper tube, but very stable and with a very big base. See. It's from our Happy Family line here with some instructions for shooting, and this is the name COLOSSUS. This is the item number, and the warning text is 1.4G. Okay, so like this, and here you have another paper. See, this is another paper here for the warning, shooting framing balls. How to use this one, and the safety practice for hanging and use. So we got one here, and then we put like this, and then put this, and then we have total 12 shells for each box with 6 colors. See, I don't know how they pack them, but we have total like this. See, And I also want to open the other ones for you. Yeah, and right now you see they are perfectly in this plastic. See? Okay, this is the first kind. We have a total how many? We have a total 3 boxes. 可以帮我放进去一下吗？ See, we have a total 3 box, and it's 36 shells in this kind. Okay, right now I want to open this one. It's double bricks. There are 8 shells in each box. And they use they use the tape and the staples to close the box, so make them very stable. And you see the staples here, so they are very stable. Okay, see, this is the double bricks. Each box has each bricks have 8 shells, and also with one shooting tube. You see there are 4 colors: yellow, blue, silver, and red. Total with this. You see, this one is also with this double brick shape, so they can put very stable on it and doing like this. See? Okay, we have how many boxes of this one? We have 2 boxes. We have 2 boxes of the double bricks. Okay, and we have 3. So we have 2 boxes of the double bricks. See? And we will open another box of the 3 bricks here. So this is a very huge artillery shells assortment. We have total 84 shells with total 124 bricks. The packing is 2 by 1. It's a very huge box. See? Okay, so this is the 3 bricks box. We have 2 boxes of this, and each box with 6 shells. See? We have 6 shells. Each shells with 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. So has 3 bricks. We have blue, silver, and red colors, and we also have a shooting tube here. See, like the before. See, we have the shooting tube, and this shooting tube we can shoot for 6 shells with the 3 bricks, and it's very stable. It's very thick, and you can also see after here in the bottle we also have the same wording text how to use this shooting these artillery shells. Okay, so this is the second kind. It's 3 bricks balls. We have 2 boxes of this. Each box has 6 shells. So we have this single balls, 3 boxes, each box with 12 shells, and we have these 2 bricks and 2 boxes, each box with 8 shells. Okay, so this is the final. The other kind is also single shells and only 1 brick, but the shape is like a bottle. It's a wine bottle, like We have, let's see, how many shells inside. We have 10 shells in one box. And also it's a very stable packing. You can see we use the tape, and also we use these staples to do this. And you also can see this is the shape of these shells. So you can put all the shells inside these holes, so they will be very stable. You see, this is total 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 10 total shells. We have green, yellow, blue, silver, and red. Also, the same. We have one shooting tube, very good quality, and you can see it's the same. We have 10 of this, and we also have this. See, the shooting tube is very good quality, made by the paper, and the name is COLOSSUS. It's from our Happy Family line. And when you open here, and you can also see this shooting warning text. So this is the most big artillery shells. Artillery shells, yes. Oh, my colleague just want to show you how we will shoot this. We put it in the ground, and we open this and put like this. I think it's like this. Yeah, we put this and leave this very long fuse. We put it here, put it inside, and 能解开一个不 We will show how we 没有关系。The fuse is very long, so we can put the whole shells into the shooting tube. See, we can put inside and then leave this fuse outside. We light them because it's very long, so we have enough time to get away to the safety distance. Okay, so this is the biggest artillery shells for US market, which I want to show you. We have a total 9 boxes. We have 4 kinds. The first kind is single balls, 3 boxes, each box with 12 shells. And the second kind is the double bricks with 2 boxes, each box with 8 shells. The third one is the 3 bricks, 2 boxes, each box with 6 shells. And also we have this single shells like the wine bottle kind. It's also 2 boxes, each box with 8. 还先放这个 with 10 shells. So total is, say, 84 shells and 124 bricks. The package is 2 by 1. Huge item. See? Hope you will like them, and I'm looking forward to shoot them and see how the effects going on. It takes a long time to make them, and finally we got it. So I hope you like it. If you want to place orders of this item, contact with me by email or call me. My mail is summer@happyfamilyfireworks.com. I am Summer from Happy Family Fireworks. So wish you have a great weekend. See you next time. Thank you for my colleague Pan Xia. He helped me for this demonstration. She's new and she's a good girl, and I hope you like it. So see you next time. Have a great weekend. Thank you for watching. I'm Summer from Happy Family Fireworks.